rash. It's a common problem amongst Tesla owners, and I've got a solution that not only prevents it in the first place, but also covers it up if you've already got curb rash. Check this out. You got some curb rash on your Tesla wheels, don't you? Or you want to prevent curb rash in the first place on your Tesla wheels, right? MagBak is the solution to both of those problems. So real quick, before we get into the whole video, you can see the curb rash here. Not sure how it happened, but it did. And this is a MagBak Rim Case. This piece is going to magically cover up at least part of this. It's going to need two pieces, but I'll show you real quick just how elegant of a solution this is. Snaps into place. This will cover it up, and later in the video I'm going to show you just how cool this solution is, and look how easily that matches up with the existing wheel. You're never going to know it's there. The MagBak Kit comes with 4 separate boxes, one for each wheel, as well as a pry tool, which is pretty cool. So inside the box comes the PPF that you're going to need to apply, each individual module for each wheel, as well as they come pre-taped with the 3M tape as well. Comes with directions, which I highly recommend you read ahead of time, because I'm sure I'm going to miss a few things, as well as alcohol wipes to make sure that the wheel is clean. Now, you should note that there are 2 separate kinds of pieces. There is one for the valve stem portion, and then the rest are all the same. Installation is super simple and takes just a few minutes per wheel. Start with a clean wheel and then use these alcohol wipes to make it super clean all the way around. First, you're going to want to take the PPF and install the arced pieces all around each spoke, all the way around the wheel. Next is the PPF that's going to go inside these grooves all the way around the wheel as well. Now it's time to apply the MagBak product, the rim cases. First, you're going to start with the one for the valve stem, which is right here. There is one unique piece with this groove right here. With the PPF in place, you're going to remove the 3M tape backing so it's nice and sticky, and you're going to put it in the groove like this and snap into place. Next, you're going to go all the way around the wheel clockwise with all the rest of the pieces. If you have any issues and you need to remove a piece and you kind of have to adjust, they give you a remove tool, and look how easy this is. One thing to note, you do need to remove the rim case product when you get new tires. In my opinion, it looks great, matches the wheel perfectly, you'll never know it's there, and if you happen to curb the rim case product, you can get replacement parts and just replace the pieces you need. Rim Case from MagBak. You've heard of the company. They make that super cool Tesla mount for your phone right on the display there. It's awesome. We have one in each of our cars. Full details, and we've got a coupon code down in the description to save you some cash when you buy your MagBak Rim Case. Let's be honest, professional wheel repair is expensive and it takes a lot of time. This you can do yourself. This is the Tesla wheel protection and cover-up solution from MagBak. It's called Rim Case. They make the Rim Case product for the Model Y 20-inch induction wheels and the 21-inch Uberturbine wheels. For you Model 3 owners, you've got 20-inch Uberturbine wheels. They've got a solution for you as well. Many of us have been there, right? Curbed wheels on your Tesla for whatever the reason may be. And for those that haven't, you may want a little added protection just to make sure in case you do find a curb, it's going to save your wheel. This is the solution to all of that. And you could do it yourself. That's the best part of this. You don't have to call some guy out charging you hundreds of dollars per wheel and taking a lot of your time. This you can do on your own time, all by yourself, and it's super, super easy. Real quick, make sure the wheel is clean, put on the paint protection film all the way around, remove the 3M backing on each piece, and snap them all into place, and you're done. Again, grab the coupon code down in the description, save yourself a little money for the MagBak Rim Case, and as always, we totally appreciate you watching all of the videos here on Tesla Tips and Trips. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I know everyone on YouTube is asking the same exact thing, but it truly means a lot to us, and I thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Curb Rash!